Welcome to a very special occasion. You are about to witness a world premiere. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the first climate-neutral stamp in the world. The original Printy 4.0 from Trodat. Join me in discovering a product which sets new standards in so many ways. Wow, doesn't it look great? Unique in design and incredibly small and lightweight, with a specially coated front plate in in-mold decoration technology, also used for smartphones, laptops, and in the automobile industry. This technology gives the product a top-quality look and feel, a unique luster, minimizing the chance of scratches and fingerprints on the surface. And look at this. Trodat has even managed to integrate a security feature into the surface. Something original. What it does for the environment is also unique. The original Printy 4.0 is the first stamp in the world to leave no carbon footprint. How do they manage that? Let's take a look at the facts. The construction is incredibly small and lightweight. This saves valuable raw materials and lowers the CO2 emissions during production and transport of the product. In addition, it consists of up to 65% post-consumer recycled plastic, protecting valuable resources. With this technical innovation, Trodat had optimized the original Printy 4.0 to the limit, saving up to 49% on CO2 emissions compared to the previous model. Environmental experts said this was unparalleled. Yet for Trodat, it was not enough. Their goal was 100% climate neutrality with this product. Of course, no manufacturing process can take place without some consumption of materials and energy. A certain level of CO2 emissions remains unavoidable, no matter how the production has been optimized. But these emissions can be compensated for by investment in measures to relieve climate problems. And so, Trodat invests in the gold standard climate protection projects recommended by the Worldwide Fund for Nature, as well as being an official partner of the WWF Austria. And the independent organization Climate Partner confirms the original Printy 4.0 from Trodat is the first climate-neutral stamp in the world. So you can see, this stamp makes a substantial contribution to the environment. But what are the benefits for rubber stamp makers and stamp users? Believe me, just as much. Let's take a look at the details. The original Printy 4.0 allows for the easiest possible text plate mounting. This is guaranteed by the elevated position of the text plate holder when it is in the locked position. Have a look at the easily removable index window. The large recessed grip ensures effortless opening. The symmetrical cover snaps into place smoothly, no matter which edge is at the front or back. The setup is even quicker and easier if you order the original Printy 4.0 in a locked 5-pack, ready to assemble. The small size has great advantages, of course. Think of the savings in storage and transportation costs. The original Printy 4.0 is 30% smaller than the previous model, and in the locked position, an incredible 45% smaller. And yet another highlight, this product is easy to individualize. The large printable front side also comes with a white front plate. This provides endless options for logos and individual prints, using pad printing or laser engraving. Of course, a good stamp also has to appeal to stamp users as well. And here too, Trodat has come up with something special. The original Printy 4.0 is the first stamp with an absolutely clean ink cartridge change. Self-explanatory. Without touching the cartridge insert, thanks to special grips. No danger of dirty fingers. Stamp users, are looking for precise imprint positioning and alignment. Trodat's answer: the housing of the stamp has been reduced to almost the size of a text plate. The crystal clear positioning window allows for an ideal view of the paper, plus a new positioning frame for precise alignment of the impression. As in the past, all Trodat stamp colors guarantee impressions which will last for decades. And last but not least, we have the incredibly small and lightweight design, perfect for on the go. Fits into even the smallest of pockets, with an optional closing cap for cleanliness when carrying around. And by the way, you can get the original Printy 4.0 in 6 other trendy colors. Who would have thought there's so much room for quality in such a small product?